many of them even below the age of 40, some even below the age of 30. There are several videos that have been doing the rounds of people just falling down, some of them dropping dead. The reason? A cardiac arrest.
Number one killer in the world today. And the heart is a muscle. You can strengthen the heart and you can weaken the heart. What the heart pumps is blood. And so the viscosity of the blood.
According to holistic health practitioner Barbara O'Neill, certain foods can aid in the recovery of heart health. In today's video, we will explore which foods support the heart and contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Stay tuned to find out how your diet can play a key role in promoting a healthier heart. First, let's understand heart restoration.
Runs to understand what it needs, to understand what weakens it, to understand what strengthens it. We need to go to the CBD, the Central Business District of the human body. So here is our cell, and this week we've been looking at the glucose coming in. Last night we looked at insulin, and we had a look at the fact that insulin is the key that unlocks the door to get the glucose into the cell.
Globally, heart problems claim the most number of lives. However, the bright side is that with the right foods, heart problems can be reverted. Barbara O'Neill points out that the kinds of foods eaten affect the heart and how making a few changes in the diet can in fact help fight some effects of bad habits. In this video, we will discuss the most useful foods that heal the heart and the reasons behind their effectiveness. Most people do not realize that some kinds of food contain active elements that can remedy damaged tissue in a person's heart, as well as enhance the cardiovascular system in general. For example, omega fatty acids, which are found in fish, lemongrass, and flax seeds, help in nourishing the heart and its blood vessels by reducing inflammation, blood pressure, and the chances of suffering heart diseases. On top of that, there are also other foods that are known to contain antioxidants, such as red or black berries and dark chocolate, that aid in reversing the stress caused in the heart, which is one of the key reasons for heart illnesses. Heart well-being is also achieved through dietary fiber. Whole grain cereal, pulses, and some types of vegetables also contain adequate amounts of fiber and assist in lowering the cholesterol levels, thereby preventing the formation of atheroma in the arteries. Simply altering one's diet offers the individual not only a way of letting the heart sustain itself from any further injury, but also the possibility of recovering from the effects of bad eating practices in the past. Moving on to next, the heart's best friend.
You're having your whole salt, you're getting magnesium there, and the natural form of magnesium is found in your dark green leafy vegetables. Now remember, when you cook vegetables, you do not lose the minerals. You only lose the minerals if you throw the water away.
Nutrient-dense foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard have been greatly emphasized by Barbara O'Neill in the restoration of heart health. These vegetables contain plenty of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in addition to vitamin K, which is critical in shielding the arteries from the hardening process. Phytochemicals ensure that the arteries do not get clogged thanks to the smoothing effect of leafy greens on blood. In addition to being an excellent source of vitamin K, leafy green vegetables also contain abundant dietary nitrates, which help to reduce blood pressure. Nitrates widen blood vessels, thereby enhancing the performance of the cardiovascular system. Therefore, the heart strains less due to blood pressure reduction, which aids in blood circulation and decreases the risk of disorders associated with the heart. Adding an ample portion of greens into your meals on a daily basis can enhance the functioning of the heart and improve general body health. They're often used to prepare salads and smoothies or served as side dishes, and these vegetables serve as an excellent natural remedy, not only for preventing, but also for improving the condition of the heart. Thus, they form an integral part of the heart-healthy diet. Now let's talk about nature's heart medicine we should follow.
If they bought the hawthorn berry, the hawthorn berry strengthens the heart. It brings it back to normality. Often people have heart arrhythmia, often caused by caffeines and wheats and refined sugar, not even realizing that the food they're eating is causing the problem. But hawthorn berry can bring it back to normality. It's an incredibly safe herb. You might get Hawthorn berry tablets and have 1 3 times a day. If it's not doing it, do 2 3 times a day. Do 4 3 times a day. It's very, very safe.
Small fruits such as blueberries or strawberries, as well as raspberries, contain numerous antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidizing properties beneficial in preventing heart problems. In this regard, Barbara O'Neill points out that these active elements prevent heart problems by minimizing the destruction of the heart tissues and structures from free radicals. Also, the regular taking of berries helps in reducing the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, as well as improving heart performance. Berries help to enhance heart health naturally by improving blood vessels and preventing the accumulation of undesirable factors in the arteries. Just a handful of these power-packed, heart-appropriate foods on a daily basis can make a world of a difference in the cardiovascular fitness status of individuals. Along with being healthy, berries are a great addition to the diet, especially for patients with a long-term cardiovascular health plan to prevent and cure heart diseases, because they can be taken easily in between meals. Moving to the perfect snack for heart repair.
It's chickpeas, lima beans, tofu, only if it's organic, nuts and seeds. And where's your fats, your nuts and your seeds, and also your coconut oils, your olive oils? When a person is eating those nutrients, the body can heal the whole. Can you see that? All those nutrients basically are all the building materials that the body needs to heal the whole.
Nuts and seeds. Like almonds and walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds contain several heart-healthy nutrients. As Barbara O'Neill notes, they are especially abundant in the omega-3 fatty acids and fiber that help decrease the bad cholesterol and bodily inflammation. Such little edible engines can do much for the heart's health. Just a few nuts and seeds consumed each day can be cardioprotective doses of the healthy fats found in those foods, improving blood flow and cardiovascular wellness. They also have high levels of fiber, which helps control blood glucose and also prevents any blockage in the arteries, thereby helping fight heart diseases. These nutrient-rich foods help to bring back equilibrium to the cardiovascular system. Be it as an addition to foods or as snacks on their own, the heart and future heart issues can be well managed by consuming nuts and seeds, these energy-giving foods. This type of modification is quite feasible and may offer immense benefits when such a diet is pursued over several years. Next, we have the liquid gold for your hearts.
And every day he got less breathless and less breathless. He was only with us for a week. So even in a week we saw that he was less breathless. I don't know what's going in there. I don't know what's going on in there, but what's his body saying? We're getting a little bit more room going through there.
Barbara O'Neill espouses the benefits of olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, when it comes to restoring heart health. This is because extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help to minimize inflammation and reduce high bad cholesterol levels. This good fat also aids in the improvement of blood vessel elasticity, which is also critical to ensure proper blood circulation and prevent the heart from failing. It is worth noting that the replacement of any unhealthy fat, for example butter, with olive oil goes a long way in benefiting the heart. This can be done by using a spoon to pour the oil on top of the plates, using it in cooking or in raw form, and so on a daily basis, which induces good results over time. By simply switching to olive oil, you indulge in heart restoration and enhance your health in general. One more notable benefit of extra virgin olive oil is its contribution to the maintenance of body weight. Evidence suggests that including olive oil in one's meals can help decrease visceral fat deposits, which tend to increase the risk of heart diseases. While bound fats tend to cause obesity and blood vessels blocked, the good oils present in olive oil are utilized better, therefore enabling someone to even lose weight. Apart from this, olive oil has additional ingredients that accelerate the burning of energy and the breakdown of fats in the body, which makes it suitable for people who want to cut weight. Using olive oil on a regular basis means that one's heart is protected as well as that excess body weight is avoided. The next one is really a powerhouse for heart health.
Highly nourishing food. So where's your fiber? All your plant food, plant-based have fiber, your whole foods. Where's your protein? Your protein is found in your legumes, your your lentils.
Nutrient-rich foods like beans, lentils, and chickpeas not only offer the much-needed nutrition of plant protein and fiber, but also minerals such as magnesium and potassium, which are very important in promoting heart health. According to Barbara O'Neill, this is one of the reasons why legumes should be taken on a regular basis, as they help decrease and control hypertension, reduce the levels of cholesterol in the body, and give protection from heart infections. You will find legumes easy to incorporate into your diets, as they can be added to soups, chicken or vegetable salads, and even in the main courses. These dishes are suitable for the heart, and they are able to maintain steady levels of sugar in the bloodstream while enhancing the function of the heart. Avoiding the question of blood circulation, the introduction of legumes into routine diets instead helps with whole food management, which inwardly enhances the respective health status of the heart. Moreover, one of the additional benefits associated with the consumption of legumes is the promotion of their digestion health. The digestive fiber present in beans, lentils, chickpeas, and many other pulses helps food be moved through the digestive system without hindrances. This promotes regularity and also helps prevent the other extreme by maintaining a healthy balance of good microbes in the gut. O'Neill Barbara illustrates that eating kidney beans and other legumes rich in dietary fiber helps in the progression of even many of the intestinal ailments like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. Besides, a healthy intestine is key to enhancing immunity, as a healthy gut will ensure that the digestive system, which plays various roles in the body, does its work effectively, including the immune response system. So adding legumes to the daily food menu provides two benefits. Piloting the vegetable sources rich in fiber for the cardiovascular system optimization and improvement of the digestion is why they are an important and basic ingredient in diet therapy for patients with coronary heart disease. And know that every cure can be found in nature.
Garlic has been studied for about 20 years now on the wonders.
Garlic is a wonderful herb that has been used for a very long time, primarily due to its therapeutic properties, especially in protecting the heart. Barbara O'Neill stresses in her article that garlic has allicin, which is a substance that can help in reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This treatment does not only cure high blood pressure, but also helps prevent high cholesterol, which in turn keeps the arteries free from plaque and thus reducing the chances of suffering heart diseases. Eating garlic on a regular basis helps improve blood flow and prevent the blood vessels from inflexibility, both of which are important in restoring and protecting the functioning of the heart. Garlic raw and cooked is quite nice, though simple as a remedy to help with the heart. For this reason, adding garlic to appetite is the simplest approach towards ensuring a healthier heart and healthy living. Besides being good for cardiovascular health, garlic is also notorious for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These components work in synergy to eliminate inflammation in the body, which is essential in averting the development of chronic disorders like arthritis and even particular types of cancer. Barbara O'Neill notes that the sulfur components in garlic work in tandem with free radicals in the body to decrease the levels of oxidative stress in the body. This not only helps in preventing any harm to the cells, but also promotes better immunity. Hence, it comes as no surprise that eating garlic on a regular basis will enhance one's health and provide many more benefits, which also demonstrates the fact that this herb is more than a simple remedy for the heart. Moving to a calming boost for heart health.
Something else that is a very powerful blood thinner, and that is ginger. And you can have ginger as a tea. One of my favourite teas is to finely grate ginger and pour boiling water on it. That makes a delicious tea. Very sparky. If it's too sparky for you, just water it down a bit. And ginger is also not only a blood thinner, but it's a very potent anti-inflammatory herb. And on Saturday afternoon, I think from 6 to 8 o'clock, I'll be...
According to the claims made by Barbara O'Neill, the consumption of ginger tea is very beneficial for the heart due to its anti-inflammatory effect as well as its antioxidant effect. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as gingerol, which reduces inflammation in the arteries, hence increasing the blood flow. Hence, ginger tea has the potential to prevent the narrowing of the arteries and facilitate better blood circulation. Apart from the anti-inflammatory property, steeped ginger tea is also proven to reduce high blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels, which are two major contributors to heart complications. Opposing these claims, Barbara O'Neill explains that the infusion of ginger tea, which relaxes the blood vessels, makes it easier for the heart to do its work, and as a result, lessens the burden on the heart, which subsequently decreases the risk of heart complications. In general, there are numerous ways in which one can help with the restoration of the heart, some of which include taking ginger tea on a daily basis. Sipping a mug of boiling ginger tea helps in enhancing blood circulation and reducing bad cholesterol levels, while also shielding the heart from any oxidative damage, hence making it a worthy component of a heart-friendly meal plan and beginning your heart restoration journey. All of us have noted how uncomplicated and efficient Barbara O'Neill's recommendations on diet modification for the restoration of cardiovascular health are. By notions of healthful eating that include more leafy greens, berries, nuts, and healthy oils in the diet, one can assure that his heart is healthy and welcome the reversal of any adverse effects of current unhealthy eating patterns. Take these steps towards improving the health of your heart immediately and apply changes to your diet. If you like this episode, please show support for further health information by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember your heart and take care. See you in the next video.